Welcome to our very first New Zealand motorcycle road vlog, video thing, YouTube clip, whatever. Welcome. My name is Matt, and riding on the back of the camera is my lovely wife, Julia. This trip was planned as an outing for my 51st birthday, and we also planned to link up with Juliet's brother Nick on his KTM, and John, an old mate from school days who has tamed a Triumph Tiger. Our mount is a BMW GS 800A. Don't forget the A, because A is for adventure, and that's what we're doing. Adventuring! This is not a bike review. This is just a record of our journey around the East Cape of New Zealand, the hard way. Now that all the introductions are done, let's get cracking. The last leg of our trip was Mahia and then home. We planned to take a right at Lake Tutira on Wairoa Road to weave our way through to just north of Te Pahui on State Highway 5, Napier to Taupo Road. Once back on State Highway 5, we would be heading for Turangi and home. We'll put the link to this map, this Google plot, in the description below. Today was day 4, the long way home. It was unfortunately time to go home, and it looked very much like it was going to be one of those dodge the raindrops kind of a day. It was blowing its guts out, especially along Blacks Beach, or actually anywhere it was exposed. From Mahia, it was a really blustery trip into Wairoa for gas, and then onwards towards Napier along the Napier-Wairoa Road, which is State Highway 2. With the weather packing in, we really were just aiming to get home. Sure, we'd taken the sights on the way, but we didn't want to get soaking wet. We didn't want to get ourselves in a dangerous position on the road with really, really rough weather. It was looking like that sort of a day. When I was a kid, this lookout used to have a fantastic view of Napier. Not anymore. You can't even see out, the trees have grown up that much. The road was wet in places, but we did manage to miss the worst of it. We did get the occasional shower. You could almost call it rain in places, but only for short periods. Here's a fun fact for you. The Mohaka Viaduct is the highest railway viaduct in Australasia. It's 95 metres above the Hawke's Bay Mohaka River, and it was completed in 1937. At the time of its construction, this viaduct was the 4th highest in the world. But what makes this a fun fact is when I was a kid, I pissed off it right in the middle. I'm pretty sure not many have this claim to fame. I could be famous. About halfway between Wairoa and Napier, you pass through this village of Putarino and the Waikari pub. But if you blink, you will miss it. At Lake Tutira, we hung a right to head up the back roads that connected with State Highway 5, Napier to Taupo. We heard this was a pretty scenic route to take, and we really weren't disappointed. It was fantastic.
Comments?
Emma, at least it's not raining. Alright, I know, we're going to have to roll it onto it. I might take these side boxes off.
Hope someone doesn't come around that corner heaps fast.
It won't, it's slow. I hope someone does come, they can help.
Here's a truck. Does that mean it's fixed? Eh?
Hey?
Does that mean it's fixed?
Better help out of the way, yeah.
It's quite loose then.
Well, I think it's just everything tied together. It is quite loose, it's fine.
Happy?
I'm always happy, you know me. After that wee chain come off incident, we continued on our way, enjoying the back roads and everything it had to offer. Once over the hill, the shingle roads widened considerably. It must be due to support the logging going on there, and we managed to make really good time. We stayed ahead of the bad weather too. We were definitely prolonging the return home, so we called into Glen Falls Recreation Reserve for our last roadie coffee before it was back to reality. Coffee by the mighty Mohaka.
There's a few people camping over there. Here's the sign all about it. It's not very warm.
Just as we were finishing up our coffee, it did rain. So we hit the road, which popped us out onto State Highway 5 and north of Te Pohui. Once we hit Highway 5, it was pretty much just getting the job done. We were getting pretty knackered after our 4-day tour, and we were kind of looking forward to getting home. We just knew we had to stomp this one out. So let's just smash this out. We'll leave you to enjoy my cousin Graham's music as we head for our home tutor. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share if you care, and we will see you. Oh, actually, you will see us on our next adventure. Thanks for watching.